Hello, and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Today, I have a 10-minute Cars mantra meditation for you. The cool thing about magical meditations is meditation does not need to be basic, boring, run-of-the-mill. We can make meditation fun and magical. So, today, we will be focusing on a mantra meditation. And what that is focusing on a certain phrase or word that means something to you and saying it again with the breath. There is a lot of science behind mantra meditation, and a lot of it goes into how we talk to ourselves on a daily basis. A lot of times we can be very judgmental and unkind to ourselves day to day. You know, you could tell yourself you're not smart enough, or you're not fit enough, or you're not fast enough. And we really need to start retraining ourselves to speak to ourselves in a kind way. You would never say that to a friend or family member in need. You'd never tell them they aren't smart enough or fast enough. You would tell them that they can do it and that they can succeed. So we're gonna teach ourselves and retrain ourselves to speak to ourselves in a kind and loving manner. We will be doing that through mantra meditation. And an amazing example of mantra meditation is Lightning McQueen. He literally starts the first Cars movie out by telling himself he is speed. He's faster than fast, quicker than quick. He's telling himself he's going to win that race. And man, does he get close. So we are going to focus on being Lightning McQueen today. We're going to tell ourselves that we can accomplish that goal, that we can be fast enough, quick enough, smart enough. You can accomplish those things and you can be nice to yourself about it. So go ahead and get ready to channel your inner Lightning McQueen. Find a comfortable position. You can either be sitting, laying down, sitting up against a wall, whatever's most comfortable for you. You will be sitting that way for 10 minutes. So if you start to feel uncomfortable at any time, please feel free to move and find a comfortable position. I would rather you focus on the mantra and your breath rather than you feeling uncomfortable with the way you're sitting or laying down. So feel free to move. Also, if it feels right, I will ask you to close your eyes in this meditation. If that isn't available to you or if that just doesn't feel right, you can look down through the tip of your nose or just at the floor. That way you're focusing on something that's not distracting, not moving, and that way you can focus inwards and really focus on yourself during this meditation, because that's the whole point, is spending 10 minutes with ourselves every day. So if you are ready, we'll go ahead and get started. If it feels right to do so, I will ask you to close your eyes, and we'll start by just taking a few deep breaths. We'll be inhaling in through the nose into a relaxed belly and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can continue on with that breathing pattern, or you can focus on going back to your regular breathing pattern. And as we start to make that transition and focus on our breathing, start to think about what you really want to work on and what you can do to help yourself through that situation. It could be you're not feeling well and you want to feel healthy, so your mantra would be, I am healthy. You could feel like you're not good enough for a group of friends or a position. And you can say to yourself, I am worthy. You may not feel safe where you are at the moment, inside your body. You may not feel great about how you're doing. In which case you can repeat to yourself, I am safe. Today, I will be focusing on the mantra, I am worthy. And as we breathe into our inhale, no matter what your breathing pattern is, I want you to say your mantra to yourself. So for example, I'll be saying, I am worthy every time I inhale. And with your exhale, focus on those doubts. Your brain will start to tell you you're not worthy, you're not smart, you're not pretty, you're not good enough. Breathe out all of those negative feelings. Again, breathing in and breathing out. And as we go through this meditation, we're going to channel our inner Lightning McQueen and focus on our mantra. You can either say it out loud to yourself, whisper it to yourself, say it loudly in your head, whatever feels right to you, do that. If your mind has started to wander, that's okay. Just bring it back to the breath and your mantra. You can focus on your seat, feeling a little heavier down through the earth, rolling those shoulders back down away from the ears and releasing any tension in the shoulders. Relaxing your jaw, unsticking your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Relaxing any tension through the eyes and forehead area. Feeling your eyes settle down a little heavier into the sockets. And again, focusing on that mantra when you inhale. And exhaling those doubts away. Again, bringing our focus back onto our mantra and our breathing. Inhaling in that mantra and exhaling any doubts away. Again, we'll be bringing our mind back to the present moment of our mantra, starting to deepen that inhale into that relaxed belly. And exhaling those doubts. Again, deep inhale. And exhale those doubts. One more time, inhale and exhale. And when it feels right, you can start to flutter your eyes open. Thank you so much for joining me today for this guided 10-minute Cars mantra meditation. If If you like our magical meditations and would like to see more, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.